Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Chrome updated, signed into the Google account, and sync enabled if you want cross-device access. Once that's confirmed, open the Chrome Web Store by clicking the three-dot menu, then More Tools, Extensions, and open Chrome Web Store. You do this now because direct access reduces errors. Make sure to choose the right account in the top right, otherwise installations attach to a different profile and won't appear where you expect. You search for the extension using specific keywords to narrow results. Once you see candidates, inspect ratings, recent reviews, and the last update date to judge maintenance and trustworthiness. Once comfortable, click Add to Chrome. A permission dialog appears. Read it. Permissions explain what data the extension can access and why. If permissions make sense, confirm Add Extension. After installation, you'll see the icon in the toolbar. Pin it for quick access. You finalize by pinning the extension, opening its options, and configuring preferences to match how you work. This ensures it behaves correctly. If something breaks, disable other extensions to test conflicts, enable the extension in incognito if needed, or uninstall and reinstall to reset data. Make sure Chrome is updated and your profile isn't corrupted. If problems persist, try a new Chrome profile to isolate the issue. One key tip: disable extensions one at a time to identify the culprit quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.